Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me for my morning routine. After reading Millionaire Morning, I figured or discovered how important it is to have a morning routine and stick to it in order to set the tone for your day and increase your success and productivity. So I started this morning routine and I've just noticed amazing results in me getting things done, my attitude throughout the day, and my stamina. So join me as I show you my morning routine and get a little personal with you guys. So just an overview. You're gonna see me getting out of the bed, drinking my spring water before I leave the bedroom. Then we're gonna go to the bathroom. We're not opening ourselves up to technology, no social media, no email checking, no checking your bank accounts, anything. I've got books next to the toilet so that I keep myself from messing with my phone. So you'll see my books that I've been reading recently. And then we're going to brush our teeth, floss. You'll see my facial routine that I do every morning. And then next you'll see me clearing space before I do yoga and meditation. And then after that, we're going to journal our gratitude journal. And then set the tone for the day. You're going to actually write out your intentions for the day. And yeah, I'm loving this routine. And like I said, I've noticed a big difference in my life since I've started it. And then one of the secrets, moms especially, wake up before the kids wake up. If you got a noisy husband or a mate, wake up before he wakes up. But yeah, you need to be the first one with your feet on the ground to get that quiet time and that just total concentration. So let's jump right in. Good morning, good morning, good morning. One of the main mom hacks that I've found lately, and especially after reading The Millionaire Morning, is to wake up before the rest of the world does. The rest of the world right now, meaning before my children. So I'm getting up. I'm going to drink some spring water. Sitting on the edge of the bed for a few minutes, allow my body to wake up. Let's get this window open. Good morning, world. Yeah, waking up before everybody else just gives you an advantage. It gives you some quiet time to focus and get your mind right before the day starts. So a little more spring water. All right, now it's time to go bless the royal throne. So on our way to the royal throne, even though I'm letting y'all all of my business this morning, you're not gonna sit on the toilet with me, okay? But yeah, coming into the bathroom, getting ready to use it. Sometimes we sit on the toilet and we have our phones scrolling on social media, checking emails. We're not doing any of that. We're not opening ourselves up to the world until we are fully charged and finished with our morning routine. So this is what our royal throne looks like. You can see I have my books over here on the side. One of the books that I'm reading right now is the 7 Spiritual Laws of Success. I just finished reading Happiness Now. So yeah, just getting my mind right and relaxing while, detoxifying. All right, all lights here now. While I'm in the bathroom, I'm just go ahead and brush my teeth and do my facial routine. I love the Arm & Hammer Peroxy Care. So, turning on my water, flossing, and brushing. We up and close and personal this morning, honey. teeth are all brushed. Now it's time to wash my face. The main products that I use is this African Black Soap by Shea Moisture, or the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. It all depends on the day. I kind of alternate them. I don't exfoliate every day. So today I'm going to exfoliate because I did the soap yesterday. One thing that I love too is this calming clay. They're local here in Missouri. Yeah, I do this mask on Sundays just to bring out impurities in my skin and really detoxify. It's amazing, guys. I'll do a video on that later. But yeah, let's get this face clean. Okay, I almost woke up completely. Oops, lost the eyelash there. That happens. Taking those deep breaths, just waking up, waking up, waking up, and you can do that throughout the day to just help refresh your brain. Okay, coming back in with my toner. Trader Joe's facial toner is like the bomb. I've been noticing that my complexion is evening out and my skin just feels amazing, so let that dry. All right, and then coming back in with my moisturizer, which is just coconut oil. You don't have to go out and buy all these expensive products, guys. You can keep it simple. And coconut oil is just really, really light. Light moisturizer. It might be a little oily when you first put it on, but your skin will soak it right in, especially during the winter time. All right. Let's go do some yoga. All right, guys, we are all ready to do our yoga. I've got my favorite yogi, one of my favorite yogis on YouTube loaded, Ariana Elizabeth. So we're gonna do a day of rest yoga. Today's Sunday, so that's why I chose to have a relaxing and gentle flow. Just setting the tone with some sacred smoke. This is what that looks like. All right, let's get started. Yoga has been completed and I feel awake now. It doesn't have to be a super long yoga routine. It can just be 10 or 15 minutes, just something to stretch your body out and warm your body up for the day. Like I said, Adrienne is one of my favorite yoga YouTubers. We've got Yoga with Nico as well, and I'll be sure to drop their pages in the description. But now we're gonna get on to our gratitude journal, or just journaling, period. I like to write 10 things that I'm grateful for every morning. And then underneath that, I'll write the intention for my day. And it's been really, really helping me stay focused and just start my day off on a good note. So yeah, my gratitude journal, we're gonna journal. And then after that, we're gonna take a nice bath to cleanse and get ready for the day. Yeah, this is my morning routine. Let me know what you do in the morning. Let me know if you like this, what you don't like about it. And yeah, I love it. This is what helps me get ready in the morning. All right, guys. Bye for now. I hope this was helpful.